Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the toggle button in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I already open Eclipse ADT bundle. So now first what to do? So first I take our Android virtual device AVD. So we can in background we can take this start and launch. So whenever we can take design and coding so that our device is ready. So that is our goal. So now yes, that is appear. So I minimize and if that progress bar is complete, so I close this window. So yes, that complete. So I close, no problem. And our device is in background. That is take some time. So behind that is a work we can take. So that is a all that our component. So here some process is in locate window that is start. So now we can create one apps. So here in file menu, new and Android application project, and here we can use as a toggle button. So yes, toggle, yes, toggle button. So yes, BTN. So yes, you can also use any one. So toggle BTN, that is our app's name. So that is a prefix of button, and there is no any change is required. So I press is a next. Here is no our Android underscore demo. That is our workspace folder. So next, yes, here you cannot you if you change your means this logo, you can provide your file and you can also change your background color, but here you cannot change anything. And blank activity, yes, that perfectly selected. So main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is our XML based layout file in Android. So now I can finish, and now that our apps is take some process and yes, that create. So what to do? So first I can select this uh, text view. Yes, here that is a you can see in that is two tab, graphics and our XML base. So relatively that is a by default that layout and that text view. So you can also here select and delete. So I press delete key. So that deleted. Now what to do? So you can look here, there are four, that is a text view. So text view is a work as a like a label in Android, and we can also use as our output. And now there are three buttons, so button and small button. So you can also use so, but here that one toggle button. Yes, so I take one toggle button and place in our middle of screen. So only one control we have to use in this session. So now let us check. So first we can take, yes, here we can what to do. So our apps is when we can press toggle button. So our relatively layout or activity that background is changed. So you can look here that ADT bundle means that default relative layout that not provide that ID. So we can provide ID first. So Android is a prefix and colon, and we can provide ID. So yes, here that at the red plus id, and we can give the rel. So that is a relatively. So you can also give rl, but rel is better. We can under means that l is looking like one, so rel, yes, so that look better. And now here that toggle button, so tb, yes, just I short. And here we can text toggle button is there. So here we can give any name. So we can say that background, okay, so color, okay, or can give any name. So background color, yes. So let us check. I save control s, so only two. So that is a only one main our control. So yes, that is a on off. Yes, the text is by default on and off. So that is a here we can take the text. So on text is different and off text is also different. But here our main goal is we can print not the text, but toggle button when we can press by user. So our background color is change of relative layout or activity. So now just that finish our design in this app. So very simple. And now we can take our Java file. So src source, and we can take our main activity dot Java file. So first what to do? So here we can take reference. First our that is a relative layout. So you can see that is a relative layout. Yes, and that R1. Yes, that is a perfectly. And now we can take as a toggle button. So that is a toggle button TB1. So that is a perfectly. And now in the our on create method, we can first take R1 find view by ID. So we can take reference from r.java id from r.java file. So that is rel. Yes, that is a relative layout, and r1 that is a reference. So I typecasting because that is a find view id is a return data type is a view class. So we can typecasting is needed. And same process. Yes, tb1 find view by id, same process. So find view by id, that is a method of activity class, and id we have to take from r.java file tb. So toggle button, that meaning, and typecasting is needed. So yes, same process. And now what to do? So which event we have to write? So in toggle button, so tb1 dot, yes, set on uh, chain. Yes, we can take as a set on. Yes, set on that check change listener. So in my previous video radio button group, that also we can use set on change check change listener. So that is same. And here nameless object. Yes, first I full screen so you can watch perfectly. So yes, here nameless object. So that is a anonymous inner type. Yes, here anonymous inner type. So that is a I click. So that is a on check change that event is right in toggle button. So we can use this event. And here, yes, first on check change listener, I just mouse over and we can import the package compo compound button. So that is a here you can see that our class is all error is gone. And now what to do? So here we can use, yes, that R here I provide as B boolean, and if condition. So I pass as B boolean. So what to do? So we can take as R1, that is our relatively set background color. Yes, that is a, you can see that background color. So we can color class is there. So color, yes, dot. So we can say any color. So here I use as so many color, you can look here. So that is in uppercase. So like we can take as a magneta. Yes, so that is an else part. So we can else part, why? Because that is a toggle button. So we can press so on and off. There are two possibility. So again, I use set background, some different. So let us say same process, background color, and then color class dot I use as yellow. Just any color. So to your choice. So that is a perfectly. So I can save, yes, and now we can run our app. So let us take. So and I, yes, so that our device is ready. Let us check. So yes, that is a open that log. Yes, that is a perfectly. And yes, here that is a outline. So which we have to take our control in main activity, that is relatively, and toggle button on create, that is our method, and we can take after that is a on check change listener. So that is a here outline which that application which type of control is used, and which how many methods all are things in that is outline window. So that is you can better visit. So I take my screen to here. Yes, now what to do? So now we can run our app. So I right click, yes, and run as. Android application. So now look, yes, let us check. So take some time. Here some process is going on here in status bar. So you can look, that is a locate window. So that is take some compilation, and our apk and dx Dalvik executable file is created in bin folder. So here previously that file is not appear, but now that appear when we can take as run our application. So that is created. So single unit or that application ToggleButton.apk Android package file. Yes, that now look our apps is run, and I just press this button. So you can look that color is changed and the text on, and now I can press again. So you can look that color is changed. So very simple apps. Yes. So here very interesting. So we can change our color. So perfectly. Now what to do? So we can also print the text of toggle button. So let us check. So in the here when user press on, so we can take some string. So here that is a Android, and that is a on. Yes, that is a, we can say that there are two state on and off. So yes, here that is so many properties there. So you can look here, that is all our things. So when we can press on that way, so on text and off text. Yes, so let us check. Yes, here on text and off text. So we can first provide off text. So you can give like I print off, that we can provide first. Yes, magneta. So any color. So now we can change as a red, and Android. So that is again I on text. So we can provide yes yellow. So that text we have to print. Yes. So let us check. I save, and we can change also that I change the color, not magneta. So red color. Yes. Yes. Red is there. Yes. So you can look here. Shine blue, dark gray. Yes. Green, light green. Yes. Magneta, transparent, white. So alpha. That so many color is there. So we can use as a red. So now perfectly, and save. And what to do? So yes, that is a on and off. So we can print in the toss. Yes, I also print in the toss, or you can also use as a text view. So I use as a Mac text, get application context, and here T toggle button one dot get text. Yes, get text dot toString. Yes, that's not now just appear. So perfectly. Yes, I first full screen so you can watch better way. So now duration, you have to know toast class that three argument we can pass in make text that method. So toast class there are two member constant that is static, so uppercase. So we can take as a long, and then show. Yes, save, and here parenthesis is needed because there are two lines. So I copy this toss and same in the else part. So here also provide the opening and closing means brace, because there are two statements. So one statement that is optional. Yes, that is a rules. And now that same text, yes, no anything change. Yes, here there are two possibilities. So get application context and main activity dot this, that is also you have to pass. So there are two possibilities. So one I write as a get application context, that is a method of wrapper class. And yes, here you can look, that is a give the tooltip. So context wrapper class and get application context, and context that return data type. Yes, which application that context, and activity. So that is our application Java file, and this so current that pointer is passed. So that is a better. So now I can save. Yes, and let us check what happened. So again I run this select that application, and yes, that right click. So run as Android application. Yes, and now I can open this device in taskbar. So take some process here. You can look that is a taking some process, and our previous output is gone. Now new latest update apps is running. So wait some time because take some process and our APK and all that that is update. So taking some time. So now I think yes, ready. So look, so yes, here that red, yes, I click. So yes, that is print. Yes, you can look red, and now I can click yellow. So yes, that print yellow. So there are two possibility we can use in both ways. So our background color and also the text is print in the TOS class make text, and you can also use as a if you remaining permanent output. So you can use as a text view. So I hope you can understand. Yes, very interesting. So now let us I summarize our apps. So first, yes, only one control, and that is a toggle button. Very interesting and very simple apps I create for you. So toggle button, yes, I first take from palette window, and now we can go in. I change the ID. First ID we have to change our relatively layout. So that ID not provide by itself. So we can provide, and then toggle button ID, and there are after the toggle text. Yes, but on and off red and yellow. Yes, you can give any color, and then what to do. So here first we can just yes set on check change listener, and that is we can take b for boolean. So that is a two state on and off. You have to know like our light switch light or fan or any electronic. So you can there are two state on and off. So that is toggle button. Same here, there are two state on and off. So when that is a first that is by default is off, so that we can provide as a red color, and also that we can print in the toast make text class, and else path then when on, so we can print same toggle button text. So very simple. So yes, here we can take two preference and take from r.java means id, and that we have to write the set on check change listener and write this simple coding if else condition. So yes, that is a better. So I can run last time. So you can look yes, now that is take yes that perfectly. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.